This part finishes up the handle. This is a threaded screw for the camera mount on that handle. God almighty. Come off of there. God. Be right back. Sometimes you just have to take the build surface off the bed and kind of flex it a little bit. And of course that's not working this time. Darn it. Oh, come off. Sometimes you just heat the bed. Let's heat the bed. Temperature, bed temperature. Let's go up to 75. Oops, 75. It's just hard to get them off that build surface sometimes, especially when they have a lot of surface area. Oh crap. I just knocked the threaded part off of it. I'll have to build it again. Dang. I don't know that I want to build it again. Can't get it off. It only took 17 minutes to print another one. Let me see if I can get this one off the build surface. There we go. So this is the threaded screw. You can see the threads that are built into the print. And this screw is for the bottom of this camera. So we'll pre-fit it. Yep, it screws in well. Matches the threads. And so the way this works is once this is mounted on the printer, that screw will hold this camera on this handle. There we go. That's nicely attached to the handle. It's not loose or anything. This will go down here and we'll keep an eye on prints for me. So that's coming along well. Let's mount it. And there it is. A nice handle. See, it's nice and firm. A nice handle to move the bed in and out. No touching the hot stuff. And now, a little screw through the bottom. Screw the Logitech camera right on and break the thread again. I'll have to print another one of these. Oh, that's fun. I'll have to get that part out of there. I won't tighten it down so tight the next time. There we go. Another threaded screw. So, continuing right along, you just thread this screw through the bottom of the camera. There you go. And now the camera moves with the table and can be set up to keep an eye on the prints. Like I say, I can do the prints from anywhere in the world and stop them if they go awry, whatever. So that's getting set up for that.